Yeah, hello, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Okay, so this is the next episode. Or it does feel weird saying that at all. Okay, so here real quick, everything is sorted out, well organized. So let me just take a look here, sign out. As soon as you sign out, you want all the data to be removed or deleted back to default version. So this one is out. So there's role. Let's see if there's something missing within this or not. When you create an account, you have first and last. So this is how it's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to go into this and add two other separate ones that are says first. And string and last. Okay, so now that we have first and last, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna have to change it here and some other pages. So if you're using Android Studio, you can just press Command or Control D twice, and then it will copy everything. So right here, once it copies it, put in the last of the data, right? Come back here, and then now it requires those datas. So you can just put them in like this. Right, going to collect this, and copy it throughout the app. Give me a few seconds. And boom, boom, perfect. Now that we have those over there, come back here, boom, another one. Just playing around. Okay, so now that we have those available here, this is there, and everything is in place. So now when the user gets in and tries to sign in, we do this and everything else. So here's something else as well. We need to check if the user is signed in. So this is a functionality I love to use. Is let's make it is signed in or is signed in. So we can put this way over here, and let's add all these functionalities. So the very first thing is that we have to check if the user is signed in. So it will be simple. We just have to use fire auth dot create a string UID, right? To make an if statement here, like fire auth dot current user dot, let's say current user ID. So this is empty. So I use is empty, but it could be wrong, but I'm still going to use it again. So user ID, we put UID, put this over here. So fire auth dot current user dot UID. Okay. So now give me a few seconds. Put this up over here. Number complete. So now what we do here is that there's this method that we can call onto that will make everything work as well. So which is like get update. How do we use it again exactly? Get update. Okay, so this is way over here. So once we check the functionalities, everything's working well. This here. Okay, we're gonna make a bool signed in, which checks if whether the user is signed in or not. On default is in false until we shows it as true. You understand? So it's always a false until true. It can be true when there is no data there. You understand? So it always starts with false and then true or false depending on the statement, if statement cases. Okay, perfectly well. Perfect. So now we get into this. In case somebody just wants to get like the UID or the user credentials, once your check is signed in, if the individual is signed in successfully, then what we'll do next is we can return Firebase current user UID. Perfection. So now we have this over here. So give me a few seconds. I'll go back to. Yeah. Oh my god, my video is ruined. My video is ruined. Okay. Well, for now, it's just an individual. I don't think it's like a whole set of different individuals. So it's all good. So we have this far. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for the video. Thank you.